Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Home Aesthetics by Sauj, and this is Saujanya Kulkarni. In our previous video, we have seen the advantage of tall units in kitchen. If you have not watched that video, please click the link below in the description box. Today, we are going to discuss about the tips on designing the under cabinets in kitchen. So, let's get started. So, while designing under cabinets, three things have to be kept in our mind. The first thing is that the height of the cabinet from the floor, and the second thing is that the depth of the cabinet, and the third thing is the skirting that is given below the under cabinets. The height of the under cabinets from the floor ranges in between 27 inches to 31 inches. It should not be less than 27 inches or more than 31 inches for comfortable usage. The depth of the under cabinets has to be max 2 feet. It should not be more than 2 feet because we cannot access the cabinets comfortably. When the skirting is provided, the advantage is that when we are opening any cabinet, the tip of the cabinet will not hit our foot. Usually, the skirting is provided at 4 inches max from the floor level. Till now, we have seen the standard requirements that are to be kept in our mind when we are designing under cabinets in kitchen. But there is always a debate going on whether to go about with modular kitchen or normal kitchen. So I have an answer to this particular question. So today we are young, our energy levels are high, and we have the capacities to do the work, and we can plan and manage everything that we want to do. But question to yourself, do you have the same energy levels over a period of 10-20 years down the line from now? No. So the best option is to go about with modular kitchen. Why so? Let's see. When we want to take out any bowl from the cabinet, we just have to pull out the basket and take the bowl and go about with the work, whatever is to be done. In this process, it is not required for us to bend more to access the things that are to be taken out from the pullouts. That is the advantage of having pullout systems in kitchen. When we want to put back the washed utensils back into their place, it is also very easy to go about with the work. We just have to pull out the basket and place the utensils in their assigned places. In this pull-out systems, irrespective of our age, whether it is you who is using or the old people at home or the kids who are using it, anybody can use it, and it is safer to use also. While cooking, if we want to take out a spoon or a ladle, we can easily take out. When we want to fill in the extra groceries into the containers, it is also easy to do the work because I already told you in our previous video that I store all the extra monthly groceries into the tall unit, and whenever the container is empty, I put it for a wash, and once it comes from the wash, I will wipe it and then fill the container with the whatever item that is to be filled and place it back to its place. Till now, we have seen why we have to opt for modular kitchens, and now in my next further video, I am going to show you on what base I have designed the under cabinets based on my personal requirements. Last but not least, I want to thank one of my friend and colleague Priyanka Joshi, who has helped me with the software, and she has also taught me how to upload videos on YouTube. She also runs her own channel with the name Mana Aharam Mana Arogyam. If you want to experiment some new recipe on this weekend and give a great experience to your family members, relatives or friends, for sure you have to watch her channel, and the link is provided below in the description box. Please check it. Today's video has come to an end. Hope today's video was informative. Please like, share, subscribe and comment if you have liked my video. See you soon in my next video. Bye bye.